Good day everyone. For today's discussion, we're going to talk about B.F. Skinner's theory. B.F. Skinner, a renowned psychologist, proposed the theory of operant conditioning, which suggests that behavior is shaped by its consequences. This theory posits that individuals learn through reinforcement and punishment. Positive reinforcement, it involves rewarding a behavior to increase its likelihood of occurring again. For example, a teachers might praise a student for completing their homework on time, encouraging them to continue this behavior. Negative reinforcement, on the other hand, it involves removing an unpleasant stimulus to increase the likelihood of a behavior. A common example is a parent removing a curfew after a child consistently maintains good grades. So, punishment, conversely, aims to decrease the frequency of a behavior. Positive punishment involves adding an unpleasant stimulus such as scolding a child for misbehaving. Negative punishment involves removing a pleasant stimulus like taking away a child's favorite toy. Skinner's theory has a significant implication for education. By understanding the principle of reinforcement and punishment, educators can design effective learning environments that motivates and guides students' behavior. By using positive reinforcement strategies, teachers can encourage desired behaviors and create a positive classroom climate. Additionally, by employing appropriate punishment techniques, educators can discourage undesirable behaviors without resorting to harsh or ineffective methods.